All right, imagine this. You've got an amazing fix and flip opportunity and cash from an investor lined up. The numbers are perfect. You've lined up contractors in your days from closing. Then out of nowhere, your investor backs out. You got no cash to close the deal. The deal is about to fall apart and you're scrambling to find a solution. That's exactly what happened to one of my clients, and his agent referred him to me, and we put together a 10% down fix and flip deal pretty fast. And we closed the deal in about 10 days with just 10% down. And the best part is he still made about $123,000 on the flip 4 months later. And so that's a pretty solid take. Here's how we did it. First of all, when we talk about flipping houses, what is that? Well, flipping houses is a real estate investment strategy where an investor purchases a property that's probably, has some deferred maintenance and renovates it, improves it, and then sells it for a profit. The goal is to buy low, enhance the property's value through repairs and upgrades, and then sell high within a short period of time. Flipping houses usually involves understanding marketing trends, budgeting for renovations, and executing timely sales to maximize your return. It's got to be boom, 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 boom. Flipping houses is definitely a proven way to build wealth in real estate as long as you know what you're doing. Most people think you need a huge down payment and cash for renovations. The good news is, with these loans, private fix and flip loans allow just 10% down and 100% of the renovation costs, meaning you can leverage other people's money to maximize your profits. Now, what is a fix and flip loan? Well, a fix and flip loan is a short-term, asset-based loan designed for real estate investors who want to buy, renovate, and sell the properties for a profit. Now, these loans are funded by lenders who care more about the property's value potential, the after repair value, or ARV, than the borrower's income or credit score. Now, unlike traditional mortgages, fix and flips allow investors to purchase distressed properties, fund renovations, and resell them quickly without tying up personal capital. So key features of fix and flip loans, what are they? Well, first of all, the low down payment, huge. Just 10% down, and on more traditional financing, you need 30 to upwards of 50% down in order to accomplish what we're doing here. Fast closings, we close in 7 to 14 days, unlike banks that take 30 to 60 to 90 days to close something similar. It's a short-term loan, usually 12 to 18 months, designed for flipping properties quickly. The approval focuses on the transaction. We're not worried about credit scores or your income, the borrower's income per se, as much as we are what's the end result of the future appraised value, construction, is this a realistic assessment of what's going on, and realistic after repair value. Now, how do you qualify for one of these? It's actually fairly simple. The good news is you don't need perfect credit or income to qualify for these loans. Here's what you need. You need experience. Most lenders like to see that you've done, 2 to 4 projects already similar to this before they're lending you the money. You need a strong deal. What does that mean? We need to make sure the property's ARV and potential profit margin are aligned in order to fund this loan. We need your rehab budget and timeline. Be prepared with detailed renovation scope of work, because without that, we're not going very far. Now, with this particular scenario I'm talking about, the payoff was $123,000 profit on the flip. Fast forward 4 months later, the renovations were complete. After the loan payoff, closing costs and expenses, he walked away with a 6-figure profit. I mean, that's pretty amazing. So the total profit was $123,000. The time of the flip was 4 months. Would he do it again? Heck yes. We're out there looking for new property. Now, I'm Garrick Wordmuller, President and CEO of Fresh Home Loan, independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. And call me about your fix and flip loans. We also, of course, do conventional VA, FHA, all that stuff, plus DSCR, first time home buyer, reverse mortgage. So a lot of stuff going on over here. Give us a call. We'd love to help you out, and we'll talk soon. Thanks for liking, subscribing, and sending this to friends and family and coworkers who might need it as well.